Hey friends, in this video, I'll be sharing 2 ways to get $400 within about 30 minutes. If you have 30 minutes to spare, why not get $400? I know it sounds damn dubious. Right now, I'm trying this process to make sure it works for everyone. Why not get a little cash and leverage on some of the promotion that these big companies have, right? That's what I'm going to try to do in this video. There are a few prerequisites that you need for this video. You need at least 2.7k cash that you don't need to spend within the next 10 days. And the second thing is you're actually redeeming some free promotional stocks from brokers, which are Moomoo and Tiger. If you already have broker accounts with companies like Moomoo and Tiger, unfortunately, you won't be able to get $400. I'll leave links in the video description, and I'll really appreciate if you could use my links because in a very transparent manner, if you sign up using my link, I'll get a little cash reward as well. So you get some money, I get some money, everyone is happy. So the first broker that I'll start with is Moomoo. According to this ad, it says they'll give you $40 in cashback. So that's about $260, okay? So let's see how easy it is to redeem this. Free AAPL shares is back, limited time only. Okay, so let's claim now. So I'll need to log in. Feel free to just go ahead and sign up an account. Okay, so now it's telling me to download the app, which I've done. I believe that the app is available on both Android and iOS. Let me log in on my phone right now. Okay, right now I'm in the app. Okay, so now there's a pop-up that tells me to redeem my rewards. Limited time, redeem your welcome rewards. $200 Apple share. Yay, that's what I want. It says that I can claim an iPhone 13 256GB worth $1,469. I think I've read a little bit about this promotion. You have to deposit about 200k to 300k worth of cash. Most of us don't have that. I don't have that. So yeah, I'll probably just get an Apple share, which is good enough for me. Okay, claim now. Okay, it says don't ever miss out on our great offers. I wish to receive updates. I guess I'll just say yes for now. Free AAP shares, limited time back. This is exactly what I want. Okay, let's be very clear with the TNC, right? Complete deposit of 2,700 and maintain at least 30 days. So I guess my assumption at the start of the video is not right. I need to put 2.7k there for 30 days. If you don't have 2.7k for 30 days, then I guess this video is not for you. But I know for the Tiger brokers, which is how we're going to get another $200. I already tried that already before this. You only need to deposit for 10 days. So I think for Moomoo, you need to, cashback is $40, complete deposit. I have more than 2.7k in my bank account, so I can definitely transfer it over. I think what we want is just $200 Apple share, right? So I'm going to go ahead and redeem it right now. I'm going to click deposit. How would you like to deposit? Instant deposit via DDA, which is most popular, 15 minutes, fees free of charge, banks, DBS, POSB. I have a POSB bank, so that's fine. Let me choose this. Instant deposit. Okay, link your own bank account, please. Link Singapore, set up free for me. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do this. I think I'll need to censor this part. Use my digibank login. Okay, they say your account has been linked, so that's good. Okay, deposit amount. I'll just put 2.8k in for now. You don't have a trading password. Set a trading password. Okay, so I need to set a trading password. Okay, trading password has been set. Okay, so where is my Apple share? Generally, I find Chinese apps, right, they have a very messy UI UX. I'm a little irritated by it, but the most important thing, let's find our rewards, right? So rewards club, let me click rewards club. Trade, securities, total assets, that's what I have. Let me see my brokerage account. Positions. Okay, I see that. Okay, do you see this? Pending gift stock, market value, $157. So this is the Apple stock I'm entitled to. Conditions, maintain your 30-day average assets by 2.7k. So it's pending right now. I guess I have to put my money in for 30 days. This stock will appear in one of my positions. And once you have that position, then you can actually sell it. Once you sell it, then you will be able to get the money. Oh, and one last thing for Moomoo, I realized they are very, very sneaky with the stock cash coupon. If you can see on my screen, it says you have a cashback of $40 stock cash option. If I show you what is on my phone right now, you'll see that the welcome stock cash coupon is split into 4. That means you will only get a $10 discount on 4 transactions of stocks that you buy, which is very, very tricky. You can use actually each of this welcome stock cash to buy actual stocks and then sell it afterwards. So I think that's fine. If you are willing, you could just buy any random stock which is at about $10 to $15 and sell it. If I would want to even check out some shares which are less than $10, right, I'll probably go into the Hong Kong markets. But let's say if I'm seeing the stock of Xiaomi, it is at $21.15, right? You could buy it now at a $10 discount, which would be $11.15. And I believe after you buy it, you can sell it immediately. That would be your $40 worth of cash. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I think that's the $40 cash back, which might be very, very tricky. And take note that there's an expiry date that is until January 18. It's more than enough time for you to use it. So it's applicable to HKUS and SG stocks, including ETFs. Let's go on to the next account on how you can get another Apple stock by using Tiger Brokers. If you click on my link, you should land on this page. Click claim my rewards. So once you're in your account, right, you can click my account, click deposit over here. You need to click deposit, and there should be an option for you to transfer from a POSB DBS account. I've already linked my account, so you should be able to just deposit it accordingly. I'll just deposit it accordingly. I'll just put $300 here for now. One thing that you can do, right, after that is to download a desktop program for it. You can click download and you can click download the desktop app. It's not necessary, but what you can do, right, if I can share what I see on my phone right now, click on me on the bottom right hand corner, click on promotions and rewards and click see your rewards. So there's a reward center. You don't see anything here. I've already redeemed my Apple share already. So it should be somewhere here under promotion and rewards. Okay, but under my historical reward, you see there's this Apple share, which I already got, which is about $240. So when you go back to the app, right, you can go on to trade, and then you can see my holdings. My holdings is essentially the shares that you currently own. You can see the US stocks I own and the HK, the Hong Kong stocks that I own. Then you'll see that I have one Apple share here and I have one Tesla share here. So you can click on the Apple share. Okay, actually, for all these kind of trades, right, I'll actually recommend to not do it on the phone itself. I'm more of a desktop person. I'll probably go onto my desktop screen and show you how it is right now. Very, very intimidating. A lot of stuff over here, right? But I think the one thing that you want to take note of, just go to position on the bottom left-hand corner here. You'll see some of these stocks over here. After 10 days, unfortunately, you need to wait for 10 days to get the stock. It will definitely appear in the position area of this Tiger trade. After that, you can click, and then you can click Apple. You can click sell. As a beginner, right, I think it's just best to click on market. Basically, you'll sell your stock at the current market price of the share. For myself, I know I'll just keep it for now because I don't need that $200 immediately. Unless you want that $200 immediately, feel free to sell it. If you sell it, you get the cash. After you get the cash, right, what's next, right? Because a lot of people want to have the cash. So you can just go to this page over here again. You can click on my account, and then you can click withdrawal. Then you can choose what currency you want to withdraw in. Yeah, so I have this amount of money in my broker account. My recommendation is don't keep too much cash. Cash is not very good. It's mostly better to invest your money. If you were to follow the steps in this video, I know it's a terrible video. It's a very long one, right? If you do follow it, you'll probably get about $400 then and there. You just need to wait 1 month for it. Especially for Moomoo, it's very irritating. I don't like it. That's it for this video. Please use the links in the video description so that I can get just a small commission on it. And if you want to share it with your friends as well, I think you're able to get $88 cash if you refer your friend to Tigers, and you'll get stock vouchers when you refer your friend to Moomoo. I don't like Moomoo because like stock vouchers is very dubious. You can get up to $2,000 of stock cash value. So there's a max cap. That's it for this video. Hope to see you soon. I know this will be a very dubious video for many of my friends who are watching this. I'll probably spam a lot of my friends with this. Please check out my YouTube channel if you don't know that I have a YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next one.